So now we'll be importing data from Excel file. So as you can see, I have one Excel file also by the same name, healthcare_data, and the extension for this file is .xlsx. So the first step to import from Excel file is same, to import the necessary libraries or library. So import pandas as pd, and again we have to specify the data frame object name, say df. pd read_excel is the method I'll be using this time, because I have to import Excel file. So I'll be using read_excel method of pandas library, and I have to specify the file name. So file name is, okay, let me copy the file name again. So this time the file is this. So again click on rename, just make use of Ctrl+C, and we have to specify the file name here along with its extension xlsx. So let me write it in the next cell. So my first cell is executed. This is my second cell, and my second cell is also executing. It's not still executed because you can see the star symbol represents my code is still executing. So because the data is a little big data, now it is executed, and our star symbol is gone away. So now I want to check whether my data is imported correctly or not. So again I'll be using head method of pandas library, and I'll execute this command. I will check its shape also. So df.shape, and we can see that we have imported data from Excel, and this data is having 55,500 rows and 15 columns as the other files is having.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number